everybody, it's Dr. Joe and Batgirl Remy. Today we're going to show you some stretches and exercises for osteoarthritis of the knee. Let's get started. Disclaimer alert, disclaimer alert. So Batgirl Remy is off protecting the city. I'll show you the stretches and exercises. You're going to start off with a quad set. With the quad sets, if you roll up a towel and use it as a target, a lot of times that works better than just trying to go straight down on the ground, but you can. What you're trying to do is squeeze this quad muscle, activate it, contract it, and push your knee down into the ground. So if you have a target, it kind of helps your muscles figure out what to do. Squeeze, and if you pull your toes up while you're squeezing, that helps kind of lock everything down. And hold that for about 3 seconds and then relax. Do that about 10 times, just squeezing and relaxing. Then the next one you're going to do is a heel slide. So just lying down, you can do it sitting up, but lying down is more comfortable. Prop up the other one to kind of protect your back so it's nice and loose, and then just slide your heel up towards your bottom as far as you can go, and then slowly come back down. Now, if you have that osteoarthritis in your knee, you might only be able to get to about right here, and that's okay. You just want to go until you feel some tightness in the knee joint. You don't want to feel pain, just a little bit of tension in there. And you can go kind of continuously if you want to, or you can come up and try and hold it there for about 3 to 5 seconds if it's a nice stretch, and do about 10 of those. Then the next one is going to be a bridge. So bringing both feet up and come up, bring your bottom up off the ground until you're almost in a straight line, and then slowly come down about one segment of your back at a time. So it's really controlled. Don't just plop back down, but come up and then nice and slow back down. So do about 10 of those as well. And then nice and slow down. Then you're going to stretch your leg back out, and you're going to do a straight leg raise. Keep this one propped up because you can use it as a target for your leg. You don't want to bring your other leg up much higher than that. You want it to be a controlled movement the whole time. So take your toes and pull them up to help lock out your knee, because you want to try and keep that leg straight the whole time. And slowly come up to where they're almost equal, and then nice and slow back down. So again, don't just plop it down and let gravity go down. Really control that movement. This should be slow. If you're going fast like this, you're using more momentum than your muscles. So make sure you're controlling that movement. And then do about 10 of those as well. Then you're going to roll over onto your stomach and do a hamstring curl. With the hamstring curl, you want to make sure the top part of the leg stays nice and flat on the ground, and then just bend your foot back towards your bottom as far as you can and slowly come back down. If this is pretty easy to do, you can add some ankle weights on there and just coming back as far as you can and slowly and control it back down. So again, just starting off with about 10 of those. And then the last one lying down is going to be a squeeze. You can do a ball squeeze, or if you don't have a ball, you can just take your pillow, put it in between your legs, right almost at your knees, and then squeeze in and hold that for about 3 to 5 seconds. Make sure you're relaxing your head though. I'm just holding it up so I can talk to you, and then relax. So holding 3 to 5 seconds, doing that about 10 times. And the last exercise is going to be standing up. The last exercise is going to be a controlled step up. So it's not just stepping up and coming back down. It's really controlled. I usually tell people, do a slow count, like 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, down. So you're really controlling it. Now this is a pretty tall step. This would be something that would be more advanced. You can start off with just like a little 2-inch step if you have something in your house that is a small that you can step up. Your step on your stairs is usually between 4 and 6 inches. You can do that too, and then you have a rail to hold on to. Make sure you're being safe while you do it, because when you go slower, it's a lot harder. But really control it and don't use momentum. So it's a 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. So it's not just up and down, it's really making those muscles do the work and control it up and down. So depending on how high your step is, you might just want to do 5 or 10, because if you're going too fast, you're not really getting the correct exercise. Oh yeah, we saved them. We did. So those were your stretches and exercises for osteoarthritis of the knee. Yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. If you'd like to check out some other videos, go to AskDoctorJo.com. And remember, be safe. Don't let me bite you. Have fun. And I hope you feel better soon.